Hi guys, this is Larissa with Be You Beautiful One. I'm so excited to share with you the setup for the week of January 18th through the 24th in my vertical planner. And this is going to be a special setup. There's a lot going on for this week. We have Martin Luther King Day, holiday on the 18th, election and swearing in of Vice President-elect Kamala Harris on the 20th of January, and I'm very excited about that. And for me to do that, I have purchased some items from Oso Paper Company. I'm not for sure if I did a haul on this or not, but I have some stickers that I got from Oso Paper Company. She actually put this in her shop the day of the election being confirmed as won by Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. So these went up right away. So I've had these for a few months now. But I just love this seal. And then we have a quote sticker sheet. Our unity is our strength and diversity is our power. So I really love that. In addition to that, this notebook was also available online. I got the large notebook. I think this is the, let me see, 8.5 by 11 inches. And it's a really nice spiral notebook. And I'm not for sure how I'm gonna use this because usually I don't get notebooks this big. I should have got the smaller one, but I probably would do more of memory keeping, in specific regarding their term in office is what I really want to hone in on. But I probably will also put like some background information, go in and find some clips of news articles and so forth for both Joe Biden and Kamala Harris, as well as, of course, you have to include the Obamas and so forth in that. And I just wanted to document their term and their progression. So I have that. And then I also got this mug from Oso Paper Company. You could get the red inside or the blue. I like the blue. And so I thought that was really pretty. So I feel so executive here, you know. I got my notebook and my mug. And I also have a postal pouch, but I don't have it with me, so I don't have that to show you. But it has the Kamala Harris, Madam Vice President seal like this one on the pouch. So very, very cute. And so I'm going to use these two sticker sheets to decorate. I also have pulled out some Simply Gilded washi tape, this really rich red, blue red washi tape with silver foil on there. And I have on the side here some colorful shapes and colorful boxes that I may or may not use, but I like to pull that out. So I hope you will stay tuned and join me as I set up for this week. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started with setting up for this week. I have this colorful shape sticker book that I would really like to use this time around, and I think my hope was to use some of the circle shapes that are in here, but it turned out that I really didn't get a chance to use really a lot of those stickers. I think I only used one, but I went ahead and started with putting down the washi tape. At first I was going to do a pattern with the washi tape. I was going to stagger the washi tape a little bit more, but then I was like, I don't want to focus on the washi tape, but I love the vibrant color of this particular washi tape. I just think it's so pretty, and sometimes it's hard to find a red washi tape, and I really do enjoy this particular one. And so I wanted to also pick up some of the other colors that might complement the silver foil bows that are in this washi tape too. So that's what I'm sort of looking at, but I decided to forego the colorful shape boxes, and instead I utilized this botanical sticker book that I have not really used in a very long time. But they had some black and white floral transparent stickers, and I wanted to sort of put some stickers, floral stickers around the Kamala Harris seal, and that I got from Oso Paper. And so basically I had to sort of cut the sticker because it was a half circle sticker that was already pre-made, but it really didn't go around the shape of this particular sticker, and so I had to cut it and fit it around. And at first I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and take it all the way around, but I really just wanted it for a portion of the sticker. So I like how that turned out, and I wanted to use the big seal. The other ones were just too small for me. The 20th is such a big day that I wanted it to really stand out in my planner. And then I put down this "You Are a Limited Edition" sticker, which I thought is just perfect. Not only is it inspirational, but it does actually a sticker that to me reflects Kamala Harris, Vice President-elect Kamala Harris' journey to get to the vice presidency role. And so I love that sticker. And then I am going to go ahead and put down a sticker that I printed out by just saving an image of Dr. Martin Luther King and then sizing it and printing it out on my sticker paper. I just wanted to go ahead and put down this particular one because to me he's deep in thought, and it looks like the world is just on him. And you know, sometimes we have to remember that leaders who really step out of the box, they take risks, and the risk can really be life or death, as such as in Dr. Martin Luther King's case. And you know, it could be traumatic, it could be unrestful and so forth. But I really appreciate leaders like Dr. Martin Luther King, and who have stuck their neck out for my behalf, for my family and friends and generations to come. Without them, we might not be where we are if they didn't step up to the plate. God would have put somebody else into the position of, but they took the call. And so though they're not perfect, they still took the call, and I'm just so thankful. And so during this time, I'm thinking of the weight of the mantle that Joe Biden will be taking on, that Kamala Harris will be taking on, that so many other presidents have taken on, and other leaders in general, leaders that don't have that big platform but still have a great impact in our world today. And so this particular picture of Dr. Martin Luther King will always make me remember to say a prayer for our leaders today, not just Joe Biden and Kamala Harris, but all leaders all around the world, because it makes a difference. So, and then I went ahead and I grabbed this Martin Luther King Jr. Day sticker out of the Happy Memory Keeping book, and I decided to go ahead and back that sticker up on a circle sticker from the Colorful Shape booklet, and I cut the edge of the sticker off so that it wouldn't bleed into the Kamala Harris sticker. And then from there, I decided to go ahead and put down a quote sticker that I got from Oso Paper. I thought that was cute, and the quote says, "Our unity is our strength and diversity is our power." And I felt like that would balance out the spread a little bit. And then I took some of the clear strip floral stickers from the botanical sticker book, and I cut them in half and basically laid them down like washi tape. I put a Hello Weekend sticker for Saturday and Sunday, and now I'm just putting like some dots, a couple of dots at the on the lower row, because I left ample room to write below any checklist items that I want to focus on. And two, this spread will allow me just to have a lot of room to write on as well. And then I went ahead and decided to put down this other sticker that I printed out of Dr. Martin Luther King, giving a wave to the audience after providing one of the greatest speeches that he is known for. And then on the sidebar, I decided to put down the silver foil sticker there, but I didn't want it to leave it blank, so I put a note to self sticker on top there, and that's it. I didn't want to add too much more. So I really like how this turned out. It's simplistic, but makes a big impact, and I love the way it looks. So here's the closer look. I really like how this turned out, and I can't wait to use it for this week. I hope that you enjoyed this spread. I hope that you find some inspiration this week with all of the major activities that will be taking place, and that you will relish in the hope and the new chapter of the United States of America. Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and until the next time, thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.